Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Aligrace hair. It says your hair, your crown. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the package. First in the box we have this bonnet and it's branded Aligrace. Okay, then I also got one of these heatless curling rods. Oh my gosh, guys, this is game changer. Listen, man, I tell you, this thing actually works. I've mentioned it multiple times before in my vlogs. I'm not sure how much I've mentioned it over here on this channel, but it works. Okay, it works. I recommend curling your hair with heat first and then you use this to set it in place. But if you're gonna do like straight hair, you need to at least, it's not gonna work as well, so you need to at least apply this to pre-curled hair. That's when it works best. So it helps, like, you know, if you have a body wave texture, you don't want to be curling your hair every single day, this works so good. So the initial, like for the initial wear, you want to curl it, and then from then on you just continue using this to preserve those curls, and it will keep it going for however long you want it. Listen, it works. All right, I have the wig, which I'm gonna get into in a bit. I also have this elastic headband, which is branded Aligrace. I have a pair of lashes. I have a pair of wig caps. And then finally, this is like a hair care card. You know, it's an information card. It has their social media and everything listed on it, so that's good. This is the wig. We're working with this gorgeous straight textured 13x4 HD lace front wig, and it is a medium cap that we're working with. This wig has a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap. It's very lightly pre-plucked, so you could go ahead and pluck it further if you wish to give it that graduation, and you could tint it and stuff if you wish, but I'm gonna go ahead and install it as is because it can also be worn straight out of the packaging. So yeah, it has adjustable straps in the back of the cap as well, and it is a 1B color. It's 26 inches long. For the density, I'm gonna put that down below as well. Yeah, but it is really nice. It has that nice layered look. You can tell that, you know, it's like pre-layered, so I like that. And it's super silky, extremely silky. Absolutely love this. It is stunning. The movement is beautiful. The luster looks very nice and natural, and I'm so excited to get into this. So let's go ahead and get into this installation. I'm gonna be going ahead and using my lace bond spray for this quick and easy installation today. Let's go. So as you can see, I just went ahead and I started to cut away the excess lace from around the ear, and I'm just gonna proceed. I'm gonna do this in sections, so when I reach to this side, then I'll cut away this part. But what I'm gonna do is get my spray, and this is what I'm using for my adhesive today. So you see, if you want, you could definitely pluck it more, but you can still rock it straight out of the packaging like this. So that's what I'm showing you. And of course, I'm using my blow dryer on cool air to dry this down. Okay. I'm gonna do a center part, but first I'm kind of laying the top because it came as a free part. It didn't come with any parts whatsoever, so I'm just taking my time. I'm just taking my time to try to get a parting straight, as straight as I can possibly get it. I'm not the best on making a part from scratch. I'm gonna go ahead and make the parting more precise. with my concealer. And then I'm gonna just run through the entire wig with my flat iron. This is it, guys. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see this. Look at that movement. It's like silk, and it really didn't take a lot. So it's literally one pass through each section, and it's just like super sleek, super sleek. I absolutely love this. Look at that movement. Yeah, and I did absolutely no baby hairs, no sideburns. Very minimalistic vibe, especially if you're going for a side part. You don't necessarily need to do all of that. You know, it's perfect for that girl that loves a sleek, straight, you know, bust down look. You know, you're not into really, yeah. It's perfect. It's perfect. I can't stop moving my head. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Okay? All the specifications, everything will be listed. Like, this is perfection. It's so flawless. As I said, the only thing I wish... Well, the only thing, you could go ahead and pluck it further if you want more graduation. You know, but... it's giving, and I'm not getting any shedding. Okay, I'm not getting any shedding, like, whatsoever. The texture of this hair is a 10. Yeah, man, perfection. I remember it's 26 inches long, and you see the layers. Yeah, it came like that. I think it's gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think down below. But that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. And if you did, go ahead, give this video a thumb up. If you like the look, you know, give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You know, I keep the looks coming over here. Shout out to Aligrace once more for another bomb wig. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.